Okay, so we have here, I'm writing the problem down so that I can present it. I'm going to show you two ways to do this, okay? One way is not better, neither way is incorrect. You just do the way that you like, okay? So here's the first way that most of you probably did, okay? You said, okay, let's get rid of the parentheses and let's multiply by -3. And 3 times -5 is -15y. And 3 times 2 is 6. We get 21, right? And then let's draw the line. Subtract 6. 21 minus 6 is 15. -15y equals 15. And then I divide by -15. Okay? This is like it's like not the hardest one, but it's definitely not the easiest one, this one. Okay. Now here's another way we can do it. See if I can fit it over here. Watch this. Some of you might like this. Now, since there's only one parentheses on this side, and there's just a number here, what I can do is I can just say, hey, it's 3 times -5y plus 2. Instead of distributing, you know what I could do? I could just get rid of the 3 by dividing by 3 on both sides. Now I don't have to use the distributive property and have smaller numbers. So now this is -5y plus 2 equals 7. So I could do that. And then I subtract 2. -5y equals 7 minus 2 is 5. And then I divide by -5. And 5 divided by -5 is also -1. So you can just, I think this is easier in my opinion because now I just have a 5 and 2, not 15 and 6. It almost eliminates a step. But anyway, that's how you do that. But good job. Are there any questions? Can you guys see me now? I think I need a camera so you can see me. Wait, settings. There, okay, now you can see me now, right? Okay. And I just stopped sharing it. Okay, let's do the next one on the Pear Deck. All right, good job. Are there any questions before I move on to the next one? Okay, so these are a little bit harder, but I have less to do. Okay, so let's see how you guys do on this next one. Here we go. Pear Deck. So there's the answer. Y equals -1. Okay, here's another one. All right. So go ahead and try to solve that one. Now there's a couple ways you could do it. I'll show you both ways, but let's see how you guys do on your own. Okay. Devin, are you there? I see you. Okay. Alberto, stay after class because have you marked absent? Austin, are you there? You have the weird camera thing. Put your hand up.
Yeah, I'm there.
All right, cool. Olivia, are you there?
Yeah.
All right. Daniel's there. He just turned his camera. Angelina, are you there?
Yeah, I just turned my camera off because when I have Pear Deck at the same time, it gets really laggy.
All right. Makes sense to me. Rosa, are you there? Rosa!
Sorry, yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Antonio.
Yep.
All right. Okay, let's look. I'm gonna look at your answers. I'm not gonna share just yet. I'm gonna see what you guys got. You guys keep working on it. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip over. Hopefully that messed you guys up. Okay, do your best. Remember, this is like a test, so. I'm going to show you a couple ways to do it. Okay, I'm seeing some, you guys seem like you're rocking on this. This is really good. We're gonna start seeing some A's on this test tomorrow. Keep it up. Okay, try your best. Even like I'm telling you guys, this is your time. This is your time right now. Okay, this is your time. Okay, I'm gonna start presenting here in just a second. So we could look at the answers. Power. All right. Okay. I'm going to write the question down, and then I'll show you two ways to do it again. Two ways. This is kind of like the same thing too. Two ways. You can either distribute or not, right? You can either distribute or not. Yeah, join back, Andy. Good idea. We'll wait for you. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm writing the problem down. 8 times 2 minus 6v plus 19 equals negative 61. Okay, here's the first way. Let me present. Actually, let's look at your answers. Let's look at your answers. Okay, here we go. Show your responses. Okay, v equals 2. 48v equals negative 9. Okay, they're on the way there. Let's see. I think this one, whoever did this one, did you subtract 19 on both sides? Okay. V equals 2. Frog. V equals 2. V equals 2. The answer is V equals 2. So you guys are correct. We got V equals 2. It's going to be positive 2, not negative 2. So I don't know, see if you can figure out where your negative was. 2, 2. All right, so this is great. Make sure, oh, this guy looks, is this guy sad or is he just, I guess he doesn't look sad. He doesn't look happy though. V equals 2. Oh, look, you can see the work here. See how this person did it. This is correct. So, oh, they distributed and they combined the 19 and the 6. This is a way to do it. Nice. Subtract 35. V equals 2. V equals, nice. Okay, cool. Very good. Now, just because hopefully you know how you got V equals 2 and you didn't like just do it because everyone else wrote it. But here we go. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I would do this. Okay, there's a couple ways. The first thing I would do, again, you can ask me if your way works. As long as you get 2, you're good. Is I would subtract 19 first. I take away 19. And then I rewrite this. 8 times 2 minus 6v equals. Now, even though I'm subtracting, they're the same sign, so I add. So this will be 0, carry the 1, 6, 7, 8. Negative 80, because it's 2 negatives. I got to add them, right? I added those up. Now, instead of doing the distributive property, I would divide by 8. I just get rid of the 8 instead of using the distributive property. Divide by 8, then 2 minus 6v equals negative 80 divided by 8 is negative 10. And now I got to solve for the v. I got to get rid of the 2. Okay, so make sure when you get rid of this 2, this is a positive 2. So you're going to subtract 2. You want to look at the sign in front of the 2, not behind, even though it's subtracted in front of the 2. The negative goes with the 6. Again, even though I'm sorry, this is a 2. Even though I'm subtracting, same sign, I'm adding, so it's negative 12 equals negative 6v. And then I divide by -6. Okay, because I want to get rid of the -6. Divide by -6. Remember, when you divide, if it's the same sign, your answer is positive. There you go. Now, you could distribute 8 times 2, 8 times -6. You could do that, but you're working with 16, -48. And then you're going to have, you can add those to another way. I don't know if I should show you another way. You guys want to see another way? Or let me ask, does anyone want to see me another way on how I did this? Anyone? Speak up. I can show you another way. If you want me to do the distributive property, I can. Combine like terms.
How did you get the +2?
Oh, because when I divide a negative by negative, they're the same sign, it's positive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Do you want me to show you another way to do it, or are we good? Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you can either go like this or do the little thing. Oh, I guess you can't do the thing. Give me a thumbs up if you understand. I understand. Like this. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Are there any questions? Well, stay after class if you have more questions about this. Okay. I think I have only one more left. Let's see. Let me see how many more we have left. Again, if you guys can do these, you're gonna do awesome on the test. Yeah, I'll have one more. Okay. Here's one more to do. Okay, go ahead and do this last one. Now, this one has parentheses and C on both sides. So, these are harder ones that we're doing. We're doing ones that are harder than yesterday. Okay. All right, Andy, did you make it back? Okay, you guys, keep it up. You can do it. This is all practice. And remember all those stuff we did yesterday. You can practice those. I'm checking out your work, your answers and stuff. So, this is the hardest one. Again, if you need more help, you can stay after class. Oops, sorry, I flipped it over. So Austin, your camera, is that in your keyboard? That's weird. Is that weird, Austin? I never heard of a camera being, it looks like it's in your keyboard.
It's on my screen.
Why does it show the ceiling?
I don't know.
Is that the ceiling? Can you put your hand up? I feel like you're putting your hand up. Yeah. Is that above your screen? It's weird. It's a weird angle. I don't know. I don't understand it. I was just trying to wrap my head around how that works. But all right. Raise your hand if you need more time. All right, keep going. Keep going. Remember, this is like you're getting ready for the test. Test is tomorrow. Oh, we have a week off. Isn't that crazy? Get a week off.
Wait, after this week, we have a week off?
Yep. Got a whole week off. No, it's called ski week. Because I don't even know if there's snow in the mountains.
Why do we have a week off?
Well, so okay, you know how we have president's holidays? You have like President's Day and then Lincoln's birthday in February. Well, what they did is they said, hey, instead of just having 2 days off, let's just have the whole week off. So we have 5 days off. They put them all together. But what that does is it means we start summer 3 days late, you know? So I don't know. They just decided to do it because just have a week off in February. I could go either way.
22nd.
What's that?
We come back to 22nd.
Let's see. So we have the 15th through the 19th off, and yeah, come back the 22nd. Look, I'll show you guys a school calendar while you guys are finishing that up, and then I'll get on the problem. Okay, check this out. And then we'll do the problem. Here we go. Here's the school calendar. And then we'll do the problem, then we'll be done. Right here, see? February. Today's February 10th, 11th, 12th. We have the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th off. 15th through 19th, district recess. So we have a recess, which means we have no school. Okay, let's get on the problems here. All right. I know I'm presenting. That's why I did it. Show your responses. Okay, let's see. C equals 11. That's the answer. C equals 11. 11. Good. 11. Good. Okay, so most of you are getting this right. That's really good. Negative 11. Make sure it's positive 11. The test is in multiple choice. So if this person put negative 11, and then they put, you know, if good, you erased it. I don't think there's a negative 11 as one of the responses. You probably pick 11. You might get it right. Okay, but here we go. I'll do this, and then we'll be done. And if you want to stay and get more help, you can. Negative 8, C minus 10 equals negative C minus 3. Okay, because there's C on both sides and we have parentheses, it makes it kind of challenging. So we got to get rid of it. So I can't just divide by negative 8. I have to get rid of the parentheses since there's no number here. I got to multiply the negative 8 through. So negative 8 times C, negative 8 times 10. Negative 8 times C is negative 8C. Negative 8 times negative 10. Remember, they're both negative. It's positive 80. I have to do that. Now, I got to also multiply by this negative. Even though this is negative is here, imagine if it's negative 1. That might be better. Negative 1 times C minus 3. So I'm going to multiply negative 1 times C, which would be negative 1C or negative C, and negative 1 times 3, which would be positive 3. Okay? Let's draw the line. Now I got rid of the parentheses. Now let's bring the C over. I'm going to add 1C, add 1C. Negative 8 plus 1C is negative 7C plus 80 equals 3. Okay, so I just added, right? They're different signs, so I subtract, right? Different signs, even though this is addition, different signs, so I subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7, and I have more negatives. Then I take away 80, take away 80, negative 7C. So different signs I subtract. 80 minus 3 is 77. I have more negatives, negative 77. And then again, Since I'm dividing, both are negative, my answer is going to be positive. And that's all you got to do. I'll let you look at that for a second. By the way, that calendar is it's on the Oxnard Union High School website if you want to look at that. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. Does anyone need it? Are there any questions?
How did you get the 40?
40. Oh, you know what? This is I'm assuming you're referring to this. This is an 80.
Oh, an 80? Oh.
Because I'm subtracting 80 on both. It's my bad handwriting. I'm sorry. Negative 80 on both. Does that make more sense? I'm sorry.
Yeah, it does. Thank you.
Okay. Are there any other questions? I'm going to raise in 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now, that's all I have for review for today. If you want to stay and review more problems with me, you can. Otherwise, and if you're late and I didn't take you on roll, stay after. Otherwise, I will see you. You guys can go. Tomorrow's the test. Be ready for that test. Bye, Devin. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Leatali. Bye, Octavio. Bye, David. I think this is bye, Andy. Bye, Antonio. Bye, Olivia. Bye, Quinlan. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Edgar. You guys are awesome. You guys are doing good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Bye, Rosie. Bye, Crystal. Okay. Who is here? Let's see. How late were you guys? Crystal. Who's here? Say who's here. I'm looking at my roll right now.
Crystal.
Apentakal?
Yes.
You came pretty late, I think. I could look at my timing. Why are you so late, Crystal? Blue?
Cause I overslept.
All right. Well, you go to bed late last night?
Yeah, kind of.
You're not a gamer, are you?
Oh no, I'm not. I wish, but no.
You wish you were a gamer? All right. Well, go to bed earlier so you're on time because we reviewed a lot of the test.